everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a vision board using Canva. But before anything else, what is a vision board? So, a collection of pictures or items arranged in a way or in a particular way can assist you in realizing your aims or vision. Either a physical or a digital board may be used. The uses for vision boards are many. You can utilize them to realize your individual objectives or make a picture of your unique mission statement. They are ideal for aiding in the visualization of your ideal existence, but you can also list your professional objectives on a vision board. A vision board can be used for a long-term objectives such as realizing your 5-year strategy. You may also make a vision board for the coming year. So to start, you just have to open your Canva, go to Elements, and then kindly type Read. Now you can tap See All to see all the designs and styles. You can pick any you want. Okay, for example, style like this. Okay, let's just say you only want 3 pictures on your vision board or 4 or 5 pictures. Everything is up to you. Okay, so we have different styles and designs here. So you just have to pick what you want for your vision board. Now let's just say you want 6 pictures. Okay, so what you're going to do is to simply do something like this. Select this one first and let's adjust the size. Okay, so let me delete or remove other samples here. Okay, so let me drag it here and then adjust it. Okay, now to duplicate or copy, you just have to Control C and then Control V. Okay, and if you don't know how, you can simply click that one, right click, and then click copy, and then click paste. Okay, now you have or you will have 6 images on this page. Okay, so let me adjust this one first. Okay, copy and then paste. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so now you're ready to paste or to drag pictures here. But before anything else, if you want to put something in the center like a circle frame, you can simply go to elements again and then look for frames or kindly type circle and you will see a circle frame or shape and put it in the middle. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now you're ready to drag and import pictures, but then again, you can't find those pictures here on Canva. So let me suggest to go to any web browser and then type the specific image that you want. For example, you're looking for aesthetic pictures. Then you can type the keyword here, for example, travel aesthetic picture. Okay, career aesthetic picture, something like that. Money aesthetic picture that you can find tons of static pictures about that keyword. Okay, so you just have to right click and then save us, then save directly to your device. Okay, now if you can't find it here, I also suggest to now once you save those pictures, you can go to upload file and then upload those pictures, and here it is. Okay, and what you're going to do now is to simply click that picture and drag it one by one to the specific boxes or grid here. Okay. Later, I am going to tell you the reason why I chose these pictures. Okay. So you can do it one by one. Now, this is what it looks like. Okay. A hint. It's like about financial status, about financial stability, about health, something like that. Okay. And actually, you can edit this by just clicking effects if you want. Now, if you're not satisfied with the pictures, I also suggest to go to Pinterest and find some wonderful and amazing pictures here. Of course, credit to the owners. For example, in the middle, you wanted to put something like everything is possible or make it happen or do it now. So I was looking for something like make it happen to put in the center, and I also look for other pictures to replace the image below, something like that. Okay, and then yes, this is what it looks like. So let me adjust this one first. Now, if you want to change the color of this, then you can go to effects if you wanted to. Okay, so you can adjust, you can replace pictures if you wanted to. You can add some effects, change the color. For example, I want to, you know, highlight, make it happen. So if you want to highlight, make it happen, you just have to lessen the, or transparent, adjust the transparency of each picture here. Okay, and then now I'm currently adjusting the color of make it happen. So I just click it and go to edit photo, and here I have some options. So I want something not so bright, not so dark. Here it is. Okay, now if you want to add some text to each picture, you can simply go to text and then think of something that is of course related to your picture, or let's just say you can put here your vision. For example, career and professional goals. So if you just see this one, or when you wake up in the morning and saw this picture, career and professional goals, you will be motivated to work. I mean, to do something better, to push yourself, to encourage yourself, something like that. And you can change the color. You just have to go to this color option above and go to effects if you want to add some effects. You can change the font, you can change a font size, you can change a brightness, okay, transparency. Okay, everything is up to you. Color, background color, something like that. Okay, so this one is my final color and font style. Now, to make it easier for you, just have to simply copy this and put it to each of the picture here. Okay, so let me copy this one first. Okay, and then later you can edit the text. Okay, so here it is. So these are my visions in life. First, I have his career and professional goals, personal development, health and wellness goals. I have here financial, relationship, and travel. Okay, and then I want to make it happen. So whenever I wake up in the morning and look at this, it will somehow encourage me to go on and push through. Okay. So, yeah, this is just an example. And like what I've said earlier, you can edit, you can adjust, you can do better. This is just for tutorial, and I know that you can do better than this. You just have to go to Canva and then explore. Everything is here. Okay. You can change and look for other pictures if you wanted to, and set your own visions and goals. So once done, all you have to do is simply share. Go to the right side, tap share, and then download this, print this, and put this on your wall. As easy as that.
Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.